welcome. Here I've got SONY Xperia 1 III and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off camera gridlines in manual camera modes at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now, as you can see in the left corner, we are on basic mode, so we have to tap here to change it and simply slide down. Here we have auto, P, S or M modes, so half manual and manual, and you can pick whatever you need because the gridlines are available in each of them. Now let's stay for example here and move to menu. Here we are in shooting, so we have to tap to the bottom to set up, and now at the second position we have gridlines option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn them on and turn them off as we need. Now let me keep them turned on, and when we move back to the preview we have these lines in the camera background, so they are useful for example when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that they are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to the left to the bottom corner to the gallery we can't see them, so the gridlines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them we have to tap simply to menu, then set up the gridlines to turn them off, and for now they have gone in the preview. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.